Subscribe now. Sony is finally expected to follow Samsung and LG with a bezel-less smartphone. The new Sony Xperia XZ1 Premium is expected to be released at February's MWC trade show, potentially alongside an 18:9 phablet and the Sony Xperia XZ1S. We round up the rumors on the next Sony flagship. The design will likely be standard Sony fare, which has a very distinct box and shape, but with narrower bezels. The H81XX, which we expect to be the Sony Xperia XZ1 Premium, has been revealed through its user agent profile. This reveals that it will have a 4K, 2160 by 3840 screen and Android Oreo. Specs that have also leaked for a handset with the model number H8541 reveal an upcoming Sony flagship that features a 149 by 74 by 7, 5mm body and an 18:9 panel. Given the expected model numbers at the top of this page and how close is its spec to the existing XZ Premium, this may not be the XZ1 Premium, but if genuine it's certainly a phablet model within that flagship family. Perhaps one to more closely take on the iPhone X. Core specifications include the Snapdragon 835, 4GB of RAM, 64GB of UFS storage and a 3,420 mAh battery with Quick Charge 3.0. It's odd that Sony would plump for the Snapdragon 835 over the recently announced 845, but it may be that Samsung once again holds the exclusive on this chip for its upcoming Galaxy S9.